Proteins. We all hear this word very often, especially from bodybuilder, because it's a very crucial element in our life because of his benefits like cell reparation, also of muscle building and healing up. So proteins are made of long chain of peptides and peptides are made of amino acids. And that's what we're gonna explain today in this lesson. So let's get started. The human body is made up of 20% of protein that play a major role in cell function. They are essential for the structure, function, and regulation of the body tissue and organs. Proteins are made up of smaller units called amino acids, which are building blocks of proteins. They are attached to one another by peptide bonds, forming a long chain of proteins. All amino acids have a strand structure, both carboxylic group and amino group. Amino acids that have an amino group bonded directly to the alpha carbon are referred to alpha amino acid. Every alpha amino acid has a carbon atom called the alpha carbon, bonded to a carboxylic acid COOH group and amino group NH2, and the R group is unique of for every amino acid. And here example for two amino acids arginine and lysine to see the difference between the R group in those amino acids. The R group also can define the type of amino acid, like lysine and arginine are positively charged. Their pH is above 7. And this front of view how we classify 20 amino acids exist in nature depending on the R group and the polarity. We have hydrophobic amino acids and they are no polar, that they have no charge, and they divide into types. One is alkyl R group and made of 8 amino acids. Second type is aromatic R group and made of 2 amino acids. Now we go to the second division and it's hydrophilic amino acid, and they are polar, divided in 3 types. Neutral, made of 6 amino acids, and the second is acidic amino acid, made of 2 amino acids and they are negatively charged, and the last one is basic amino acids, made of 3 amino acids and they are positively charged. Classification is based of essentiality. Essential amino acids are the amino acids which you need through your diet because your body cannot make them, and they are 8 amino acids represent front of you. While not essential amino acids are the amino acids which are not essential or part of your diet because they can be synthesized by your body, and they are 11 amino acids represent front of you. Now let's talk about amino acid behavior depending on the pH of the solution. Either add acids or alkalis to the solution. For make it easy, I'm going to explain amino acids that contain only a single group of NH2 and single group of COOH. First case, we talk about zwitterion. This one, COH hydrogen transfer to NH2 and become negatively and positively charged. That's what mean zwitterion. Is compound with no overall electrical charge but contain separate parts which are positive and negatively charged. So now second case, if we increase pH of the solution by adding alkalis like adding hydroxides ions OH negative, it consists of an oxygen and hydrogen atoms held together by a single covalent bond. When we add the hydroxy ions to the solution, the NH3 plus going to lose his hydrogen atoms and become a negatively charged. The third case is adding acidics to amino acid solution. If we decrease the pH by adding acid to the solution of amino acid, the COO negative part of a zwitterion pick up the hydrogen and become a positively charged. And that's it, the end of this lesson today. Is only introduction to amino acids, and we're gonna be further details, more lessons in the soon videos. So see you soon.